Hi there, it's Ian McTavish from Team 4152. In today's exercise, what we're doing is we're going to add holes in our square tubing. So this is the square tubing I made in my other tutorial. I fixed the fillets. Basically, I used the edge to fillet instead of the faces, so that made all the difference. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a series of holes right along here, and I'm going to add the holes I want them to be big enough to fit a 1032. So there's a great website, tap and clearance drill sizes, so I can see if I want to put a 1032 screw in, it needs to be 0.201 inches in diameter. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this face, and then I'm going to select the sketch. So that will allow me to create a sketch using this face. Now, I am just going to rotate my view a bit here and zoom in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that point right there, and I'm going to create a line and a construction line. So when I hold my mouse over that center point, I can do it, and you can see, because I've rotated my view, I'm going vertical, but on the screen it looks horizontal. So I want a hole 0.5 inches from there. So the construction line tool, this allows me to set geometry so that I can position things. So now I'm going to pick the center point circle, and I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to type 0.201 inches, and there's my circle. So I'm just going to change this to hole sketch so I know that it's the holes. And once I've got that hole in there, now I can do my extrude. I'm going to select the hole, and I'm going to select remove. Now this is where this gets useful, is I'm just going to select through all, and that allows me to select it. And you can see as I rotate that my hole is all the way through. So there's my hole. The one thing that I want to do is I'm going to go back into my sketch now, because the reason I do this on the computer is I can take a linear pattern and I can apply it to that hole. So I only want one, whoops, I'll double click that. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong button. Sorry about that. So I only want to go one that way, but this way, I'm going 18 inches and I'm going every half inch. So if I just do 18 times 2, that should get me all the way to the end of the thing, and I want 0.5 inches. And you can see it's put it in all the way. I did for 36. I actually want 35 so that I'm not going over the edge right there. So if I update my whole sketch, I should. So I'm going to need to update my extrusion. There is a way that you can do that pattern so that way you don't have to go and click all of the individuals, all the individual holes. And as you can see, I've messed up. I've actually created a hole where the thing is, but not that. So the bonus is when you make a mistake like that, you can go in and you can fix it. So that's the challenge, is to fix this up so that I've got holes all the way across.